Hello guys, welcome to my new channel, Fit and Healthy Generation. And today I'm going to share daily review of today. I've done and spent more than 7 hours in library and completed all the tasks that I have mentioned in my previous night in my daily target copy. So I'm very happy. More than 90% tasks I have completed today. And talking about, I first started the current affair of today, in which I learned about Supreme Court gave a notice regarding all the CBSE student, CBSE class 10 student to the CBSE board going to return all the money regarding rechecking the copy, which is not just mistake done by a student, which is done by teacher. So it is a Right to Education Act. It is not legally approached any money in terms of copy rechecking. So Supreme Court gave an order to return their money. Okay. The second news is UCC. Already in India, there are two states already opted the UCC bill, Union Civil Code. One is Uttarakhand and second is Gujarat. And the Amit Shah, the Home Minister of India, told the Hindu, so UCC doesn't apply on all the Adivasi, Janjati and the people who lives in one and jungles will be totally free from the UCC bill. Okay, and I think there are one or two more news. I'm unable to recall it. After successfully completion of watching current affair from the Khan Global Stories, Dehradun Center, I switched to the practice session of mathematics where I practice 30 questions of geometry and revise all the important concepts regarding the geometry questions. And after the completion of geometry practice session, I moved on reading section where I give 45 minutes of reading where I read Hindu editorial newspaper for the backup increase the fluency of our girls and for the reason of increasing our communication skills regarding how to enhance our communication for the better approach after following some easy tactics on the basis of daily reading newspaper, standing in front of cameras, in the front of stages, in the front of crowd. These are some tactics. By the use of them, you can easily enhance your communication and definitely bring some big difference in your communication. So that's another. Then after this session, I have switched on completing the 1.5 hour of physics where I revived some physics concept and lastly I've taken 1.5 hour on vocab session where I revise all the vocabs that have already mentioned all the vocabs in my registered copy. Okay, so all this routine, it took almost 6 to 7 hours. That app successfully completed in the library, and I'm very happy for that saying I have completed my task on the daily basis that I mentioned in the my target copy. So guys, I'm very happy. So I returning to home. So bye bye and Jai Hind.